question is, can we declare local variable? Can we declare local variable as public? The question is, can we declare local variable as public? First of all, what is meant by a local variable? Any variable which is declared inside a method is called as local variable. Any variable which is declared inside a method is called as local variable. So let me take one class A, and in this one let me take one method, public void some add method. So here I will take two variables, int A equals to 10, int B equals to 20. Int B equals to 20. Now let me just print system.out.println A plus B. So here C will be printed. So this is the thing. So what is this A over here? A and B are local variables. A and B are local variables. Now what is the question? Can we declare local variable as public? What is meant by a local variable? Any variable which is declared inside a method is called as local variable. But what is the scope of this local variable? So what is the scope? Where we can access this local variable? The scope of this local variable is only within the method. Only within the method. The scope of local variable is within the method. But here what we are saying, I want to declare this local variable as public. I want to declare this local variable as public. What is public? We can access this, whatever the variable or a method, we declare it as public. We can access from inside the class, outside the class, from anywhere we can access. The scope of this public is anywhere. But what is the scope of this local variable? The scope of local variable is only within the method. The scope of public is anywhere, anywhere. So both are two contradictory statements. Both are two contradictory statements. So that's the reason we cannot declare local variable as public. So that's the reason we cannot declare local variable as public. So what is the answer? Can we declare local variable as public? No, we cannot declare local variable as public because local variable, the scope of local variable is within the method, the scope of public is anywhere. So both are two contradictory statements. So that's the reason we cannot declare local variable as public. So let me write the answer for you once. No, we cannot declare local variable as public because the scope of local variable is within the method. We can access only within the method. So that such variables only we call them as local variables. The scope of public is anywhere within the class, outside the package, anyway. So both are contradictory to each other. Both are opposite to each other. So that's the reason we cannot declare local variable as public. So this is the explanation that we need to give in interviews. Thank you.